Welcome to Milak Online tutorial. Now before us is this question in coordinate geometry, and it reads that given the point P with the coordinate of 11, 3 and Q negative 1, 12 and R 1 and negative 2. Now we're told to find the equation of this line PQ, and 2 the equation of the line through R perpendicular to PQ. Alright, please, if you are new to my channel or my Facebook page, ensure if you're on my channel YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos in physics and mathematics. And if you are new to my Facebook page, don't fail to like and follow, and please don't forget to share this video. Alright, let's get started. Now first of all, let me put this coordinate in the xy coordinates. Okay, here you have your y and this is your what? X. Okay, for PQ 11, 3, now take note, this is x, y, x, y, x, y. Now putting this in the coordinates, the Cartesian coordinate helps us to solve the problem holistically. Okay, now here we have 11, 3. Let us say this is 11 and this is our 3. So let us assume that this is our point here. Okay, then this is for P. Now for Q we have negative 1 and 12. So Q should be probably around here. Okay, so we can draw. So let us say this is Q and this is our P. Okay, Q and this is our P. Now for Q here you have what? Negative 1 and 12, and for P we have 11 and 3. Now R is 1, okay, 1 and negative 2. So let us say it's somewhere around here. This one should be negative 2 and this one should be, let's say, 1. So somewhere around here. Okay, and it's perpendicular to what? PQ. Now since it's perpendicular, which means let's just draw. Okay, so perpendicular 90 degree. Now this is what? Our R with 1 and minus 2. Okay, now first and first we need to do here, we are told to find the equation of the line. So we have to find the equation of this line. Okay, so now but how then do we do that? Now let's just recall, first of all, finding the equation of a line with 2 coordinates. We have this m equals what? Y minus what? Y1 all over what? X minus what? X1, where our gradient is y2 minus what? Y1 all over x2 minus what? X1. Okay, now which gives us y minus what? Y1 all over x2, x minus what? X1. Okay, now here we have this our x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay, because the point, given the point, so this one starts, so we start with our x1 and y1 there. So y2 is given as 12 minus y1, which is 3, all over x2 is minus 1, then minus x1 is 11, then it was y minus 3 all over x minus 11 for y1 and x1. So let us resolve this. Now 12 minus 3 will give us 9, then all over minus 12, we got minus 1 minus 11. So here you have y minus 3 all over x minus what? 11. 3 here, 3 here, minus 4. So we can cross multiply. By cross multiplying here, then minus 4 multiplied through here, and 3 we multiply through x and 11. So 3 times x here will give us what? 3x. Then minus 3 times negative 11 will give us what? 33. Then equals minus 4 times y will give us what? Minus 4y. Then minus 4 times plus 3 will give us, minus 4 times minus 3 will give us what? Plus 12. Okay, now let's resolve this. So here you have 3x. Now I'm bringing minus 4y here to the left hand side will give us plus 4y. Okay, then minus 13 minus 33, then bringing plus 12 over to the left hand side becomes minus 12, then equals what? 0. So here you have 3x plus 4y, then minus, again this should give us 45, right? Yeah, 45, then equals what? 0. So here is the what? Equation for the line PQ. Okay, and the next one says the equation of the line through R perpendicular to what? Okay, now since it is perpendicular, now so we need to find the equation. Let us find the gradient for this. Okay, the gradient for this. Now take note that m1, m2 equals -1 for perpendicular lines. Okay, so this gradient. Okay, so let us find the gradient for this line. Okay, and by so doing here, let us make it m1. This one is m1, and this is m2. Okay, now find the gradient here. Okay, from here, since this is the gradient, okay, this is the gradient, and we are actually resolving to be 12 minus 3 all over minus 1 minus 11, which gives us what? 3 all over 12, which gives us, simplifying, we have 3 all over minus 4. Okay, now let me resolve this here so that we don't get confused. Now using this is the equation, and we know that the equation of the straight line given as m equals what? Y equals what? Mx plus what? C, where our m here is our gradient. Okay, let us now transform this equation to becoming this. So taking 45 over to here, we have 3x plus 4y equals what? 45. Now taking this also to this end, we have what? 4y equals minus 3y, then plus 45. Okay, now the value goes up by 4. So here we have that y equals minus 3x all over 4 plus 445 all over what? So our gradient here, let's say m1 equals what? Minus 3 all over what? 4. Now since this is perpendicular to this, so we need to find the slope of this guy, of R. So here we now see, since m1, m2 equals minus 1. So, and our m1 here is what? Minus 3 all over 4. m2 equals what? Minus 1. So, making m2 solve the formula, we get to have that m2 equals 1 times 4, that's cross multiplying, we have minus 4, then bring down minus 3 here. So m2 equals what? 4 over what? Minus 3. Okay, now that we've gotten the gradients for this line, let us now find the equation. So here, the gradient at one point has this formula: y minus what? y1 all over x minus what? x1. So now gradient is what? 4 all over 3, then equals to y minus y1, this is x and y. So y1 is minus 2, then all over x minus 1. So this will give us y plus 2 all over x minus 1, which is equals to what? 4 all over what? 3. Now when we cross multiply, we end up having 3 multiplied through by this, we have 3y plus 6, then 4 multiplied through by x minus 1 will give us 4x minus 4. Okay, making it look more like an equation, so this will give us 3y, bringing 4x over to the left hand side minus 4x, then plus 6, then bringing negative 4 over to the left hand side plus 4, which equals to 0. So at the end of the day, our equation, just clean this. Here we have 3y minus 4x plus 10 equals what? 0. So this is the equation of the line through y perpendicular to what? PQ. Alright, don't forget also to share this video. Thank you and God bless you.